Hi, I'm Dorothy. I'm the head of design here at Chapter. Today we are in Rye, Westchester at Oakland Beach Avenue. Come on in. So we are standing here in the kitchen, and the main goal here was to really open up the space. So in front of us was all a wall, to the side of the fridge was all a wall. So we demolished all of that. This wall in front of me here was actually structural, so we had to add a whole LVL beam spanning across the top to properly support the house. We put in all new wood floors, new light fixtures, new paint to really refresh the space and make it light and bright. Standing in front of me here is this massive island. It was really cool that we were able to do this in one big stone slab, so you don't see any seams and you get to really appreciate the grain and the color of the pattern. Over here we have our main kitchen wall. So starting with a built-in refrigerator, tons of storage space here with the fridge on the top and a pull-out freezer drawer below. We then have a 36-inch gas range, and then on either side of the range, we added these super functional pull-out drawers, so really great for oils and spices and anything that you would want next to you while you're cooking. In the upper cabinets, we kept the wood blue stain that you see here, and then there's even additional storage in the cabinet that's above the hood vent. Coming around the front of the island, it was really important to max functionality here. So we went with an all drawer configuration, and even the microwave itself is a drawer. So this way you're not stuck in a position of having to crouch down and reheat your dinner. So super cool, super functional details. Coming around this wall, this is pantry as well as small appliance storage. So these are also pocket doors. So they both come out and close that way. It's super easy to open, and then they just pocket back into the cavity here. So when they're open, they are out of your way. We also added additional storage below the appliance cabinet. And then of course we have open shelves on either side just to have some more areas for cookbooks, decor items, things of that nature. Wrapping around this side of the island, we really wanted to make sure that every space we had available had functionality in it. So we even added a really wide drawer stack here. So really great for pot and pan storage. All the drawers are soft close, wood construction with dovetail detailing. And then even as well on the front of the island at the stool space, again, we wanted to capture every bit of functionality we could. So we added some additional cabinets down here. Really great for kind of long-term storage needs, maybe things that you're storing for Thanksgiving and don't need everyday access to. And then one last thing I want to show you is over here. We even opened up this wall as well. So when you walk into the home, it's open to the full space. So we did create a little bit of a entryway here with some cabinetry. So you have some cabinets for coat storage here, some additional cabinet up top, maybe that's your winter accessories, and then a small bench, shoe storage below. So a great place to kind of enter the home, sit, and take your shoes off. So here we are standing in the ensuite to the master bedroom. This was also a full gut renovation bathroom. And the goal here aesthetically was just to make it feel very serene, very tranquil vibe. So we went with a large format porcelain tile at a kind of gray, beige color family. We wrapped it from the floor all the way up the walls, same tile throughout, so you have that kind of uniformity in the look. We also matched the countertop to work really nicely with the tile, as well as a new vanity cabinet. We brought the same gold finish in that we used in the kids' bathroom, so you have that kind of continuity going from space to space throughout the home. Here we are in the upstairs kids' bathroom. So this was a full gut. We really wanted to refresh the space, but keep a playful vibe to it with little touches of sophistication. So in terms of the tile work, we selected a 24-inch terrazzo tile that we kind of encapsulated the bathroom with, from the floor all the way to the walls. And then inside the bath stall, again, to bring in a little bit more of that playful element, we transitioned the upper part of the tile to a blue subway and a vertical stack. So we selected brass finishes for the plumbing fixtures that sit really beautifully with the warmth of the wood and the vanity, and then just really easy, low maintenance, bright countertops to kind of balance everything throughout the space. So that's our renovation here at Oakland Beach.